Explore the essential craft of Roman woodworking, where skilled hands shaped tools, furniture, and weapons that supported both daily life and the might of the empire. In late antiquity, woodworking was not simply a craft, it was a foundation of Roman life. From furniture and tools to transportation and warfare, wood was a fundamental material, and those who worked it were vital to the infrastructure of the empire. In this video, we explore two key woodworking tasks: crafting a table leg and shaping a spear shaft, both done by a Roman soldier using traditional techniques. We begin at a woodworking lathe, a brilliantly simple machine powered by foot and hand. The soldier wears his working attire, the castrensis vestis, a red tunica militaris and sturdy green Thorsberg-style trousers, reflecting the practical dress of soldiers during off-duty labor or camp construction. The lathe itself consists of a horizontal wooden spindle, a string, and a flexible branch mounted above. The soldier ties one end of the string to the spindle and the other to the branch. As he presses down on the branch, the string tightens and spins the wood rapidly. This back-and-forth motion enables even shaping. With a sharp chisel in hand, he begins to remove layers of wood. What might seem simple requires exceptional control. Each pass of the chisel must be smooth and intentional. The lathe allows for symmetrical shaping, perfect for turning raw timber into a balanced, elegant table leg. The soldier carefully forms tapering curves, rounded edges, and a consistent diameter. No electricity, no machines, just skill and muscle. This process reflects the Roman emphasis on practicality. A table leg isn't just functional, it also reflects aesthetic values. Roman furniture, even simple pieces, often featured decorative detail. A well-turned leg signaled the quality of the craftsman and the dignity of the household. With the table leg complete, we turn to a task of greater urgency: the spear shaft. The Roman army relied heavily on spears for both throwing and thrusting. While the pilum of earlier centuries evolved into the verutum and spiculum of late antiquity, the principle remained: a reliable wooden shaft supporting a lethal iron tip. First, the right wood must be chosen. The ideal shaft requires strength and flexibility, qualities found in woods like ash, oak, or hazel. The craftsman selects a long, straight piece, free from knots or warping, ensuring it will not break under pressure or skew its aim in flight. He begins by preparing his workbench, a sturdy structure essential for any Roman woodworker. These benches were typically wooden, sometimes reinforced with metal, and equipped with simple clamps or pegs to hold material firmly in place. Once the wood is secured, the shaping begins. The tool of choice, the draw knife. This double-handled blade is pulled toward the craftsman, shaving off long ribbons of wood. It allows for fine control, and with each stroke, the shaft takes shape. Slimmer, straighter, smoother. The soldier works with steady focus, aligning the grain, correcting curves, and ensuring evenness. A well-balanced spear could mean the difference between success and failure on the battlefield. After rough shaping, the craftsman refines the surface with rasps or files. These tools help remove imperfections and splinters, leaving a smooth finish. In Roman times, such finishing wasn't only for looks. It improved aerodynamics and reduced hand fatigue during use. Once the shaping is complete, the shaft is treated. Oils or waxes are rubbed into the wood to protect it from moisture, insects, and wear. This step is crucial, especially for soldiers stationed in varied climates across the empire, from the humid coasts of North Africa to the damp forests of Germania. Finally, the metal spearhead is added. Typically forged by a blacksmith, the spearhead is slotted onto the shaft and secured with a metal collar or rivets. This connection must be firm. Loose heads could fall off in combat, with potentially fatal consequences. Cooperation between carpenter and smith was essential, reflecting the interdisciplinary nature of Roman craftsmanship. This finished
You can
spear
already
is more than a
deactivate the
weapon.
camera if you want.
It's a symbol of Roman
Actually,
efficiency.
taking the opportunity to
Designed
ask
for
is
mass
that I can
production
finish my
but
spear
individually crafted,
okay.
every
If you
spear
want, I can leave
reflects
it.
the hand and eye of a trained maker.
For a crowd, probably
What these
all
projects show
Oh, we
us,
have enough
whether it's the gentle
for
curve of a
43
table
minutes
leg
more.
or the perfect line of a spear shaft, is the importance of manual skill in an empire of stone, steel, and structure. Woodworkers weren't just artisans, they were builders of civilization. They made homes livable, legions effective, and daily life functional. In Roman society, woodworking wasn't relegated to the background. It was embedded in every corner of life. The techniques, tools, and attention to detail seen here were passed down for generations. And even as the empire evolved and new technologies emerged, the fundamentals of the craft endured. From barracks to battlefields, from lathe to draw knife, Roman woodworking was the art of shaping the ordinary into the exceptional, one careful stroke at a time. All materials have been developed under the Erasmus Plus program as part of the S.P.Q.R. project. This project is carried out by a wide partnership of esteemed organizations, with the Interactive Bulgaria Foundation serving as the project coordinator. Other partners include Mos Maiorum Ulpiae Serdicae and the National High School for Ancient Languages and Cultures, Konstantin Kirill Filosov from Bulgaria, the European Schools Brussels IV from Belgium, Asociația Culturală Tomis from Romania, Familia Gladiatoria Egiesulet from Hungary, and Geza Frank from Austria. In addition, 18th High School Sofia and Dwolf Studio from Bulgaria are contributing as associated partners. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to exploring more of history's fascinating chapters together.